If you are wondering if we have dual SIM on Samsung Galaxy A57, then the answer actually depends. For example, in my case, I do have dual SIM. Like here you can see we have SIM card slot number 1, and on the reverse side we have SIM card slot number 2. This is the European version, or at least the phone was purchased in Europe, so I can assume that in most, if not in every European country, you can find Galaxy A57 with dual SIM. And my intuition says that, for example, in the United States, the phone does not come with dual SIM, and you actually have just one SIM card slot. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the official confirmation or the official list of countries where the dual SIM is not available. But like I'm saying, my gut says that it's going to be, for example, United States. So you probably want to ask the person that is selling the phone to you if they know if there is a dual SIM or not. I believe that in most of the Southeast Asian countries, if not in all of them, the dual SIM is also available. I checked the Samsung's India website and it said that there is dual SIM. So that is a good news for those who live in India. But I'm not sure about the rest of the countries. I can only say I can be like 90% sure about the European countries and some of the Southeast Asian countries. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.